Hello students, I hope that you are good, well and fine. Today we will be doing the remaining problems of this NCERT exercise 4.5. So far we have seen the solutions from 1 to 10th problem. Now we will be doing the remaining problem. If time permits, we will be able to solve every other remaining problems of this exercise 4.2 in this today's session. Okay, so let's jump to our first or the 11th problem of this exercise, which is this. So we have to find the solution using the matrix method. So okay, so first of all let me find the matrix. So okay, so you all know that what we have to do, we have to find the A inverse. We have already B is 1, 3 by 2 and 9. Okay, we have this thing. Okay, now what? Now we have to find A inverse. You all know A is, so let me do it here. So A will be 2 1. A will be 2 1 1 2 1 1. Okay, 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 0 3 minus 5 0 3 minus 5. Okay, so in any of the given equation, if you do not find the variable, then put the coefficient as 0, as we have written over here. So there is no x in here, this means 0x. 3y minus 5z, 3y minus 5z, as you can see. Now just we have to find the what, the first of all we have to find the determinant. So determinant I will be finding along with this column 1. So plus 2 minus 1 plus 0, this will be vanished. Okay, so plus 2, I have to eliminate this row and this column. Now 10 minus 3, it will be plus 3, this means 13, this means 26. If I'm doing or I'm getting the something wrong, please do correct at your own level. Okay, now for this I have to eliminate this thing, and the first row and the second row and the first column. So it will be minus of 5. Okay, minus 5, and this is going to minus 3. It will be what, as you can see, it will be minus 8, and minus 8 multiply with minus 1, you will have a what, 26 plus 8, and this will be just 34. This will be just 34. Okay, 34. Simple. So determinant of A will be 34. Let me write over here, determinant A will be 34. Now what? Now A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant A multiplied with adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, I'm going to evaluate it directly. So let me just write this as a 2 1 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 5. Okay, so I'll be starting from cofactors. You know cofactors, writing minors. Okay, I am just directly evaluating my adjoint of A without writing cofactors and their symbols. Okay, so I'll later on change the signs also. Okay, I'm just evaluating first of all the minors. Okay, so let me just evaluate the minors. So for this position 1 1 means first row first column, you will have minus 5. Okay, so it will be at 10 minus 3 means plus 13. So 3, this will be 13. Okay, now for this minor, okay, I have this thing. So I have to eliminate first row. Okay, and this. Now minus 5 multiply with 1, 0. Okay, so it will be just minus 5. Now eliminate this. I have 3. Okay, so 3. Okay, so far so good. That's it. Now for second row and first column, second row and first column. So this will be minus 5 and minus of 3, it will be minus 8. So minus 8. Okay, this is 30 minus 8. Now what? Now second, so minus 10, it will be minus of 10, as you can see, minus of 10. Okay, so you eliminated this. So minus 10 and 0. Okay, so minus of 10. So far so good. Now I am going to eliminate this. Okay, so this will be 3 multiply with 2, so 6. Yes, 3. Okay, I have done something. Okay, yes. So for this entry, I'll have 3 multiplied 2, it will be 6 and 0. So far so good. Now for last thing, I have to eliminate this row. Okay, let me once again evaluate for this. This will be what? M21. So second row, sorry, M22. Second row, second column, second row, second column. So minus this going to multiply. Yes, okay, correct. So M31. So eliminate this. What I will have? Minus 5, minus 5, minus 3. You will have minus of 8. Minus of 8. Now, for this, eliminate this thing. Okay, eliminate this thing. So you will have minus 10, minus 10 and 0. So just minus 10. Okay. And sorry, I think I have doing some wrong. What? I have to eliminate these. Okay. So second row. So eliminate this. So for first, minus 1, minus of minus 2. Okay. So minus 1, minus of minus 2. This means minus 1 plus 2. This means 1. Okay. So far so good. Now eliminate this. I will be having minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 minus of 1. This means minus of 3. Minus of 3. Now eliminate this. You will have minus 4 minus 1. This means minus of 5. Okay. You will have these. Now what? As you know, these are just minus. Now in Aij you have what? Minus 1 I plus j thing. Okay. So I'll put the extra signs. So this is first position 1 plus 1. This is what? So this will be always start from plus. Now minus. So minus minus will become plus. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus. Okay, that's it. Clear? So this will be your A inverse. Now this will be your A inverse. Now what I will do? A inverse multiply with this thing. So A inverse 1 3 by 2 9. Okay, 1 3 by 2 9. So I am directly writing over 1 3 by 2 9. Okay, that's what written over here. 1 3 by 2 9. So just multiply it. What I will get? 1 by 34. I will get 13 plus. So this will be 3 by 2 multiply with 8 means 3 multiply with 4 means 12 plus 9. Okay. And this will be, as you can see, 13, 12, 9 will give you 5, 9, 5, 4, 1, 34. So this will be 34. Okay, this will be 34. 34, so far so good. Now what? Now second will be, as you can see, a 5 minus, so minus this will be 15. So 15 plus 27. So this will be minus of 10. Minus 10. Now this will be minus 17. This will be, sorry, this will be just 17. Okay, 17. Clear? Okay. Now 3 minus 9 and minus 45. 3 minus 9 and minus 45. You will have what? As you can see, this will be minus of 6. And this will be minus 51, I think. I think it will be what? Okay. So let me once again do it. So 3 minus 6 multiplied 2 by, sorry, 3 by 2. Yes, this will be, if you multiply with this, you will have 3. So 3 multiplied 3 means 9. Okay, minus 45. So far so good. This will give you minus of 6. Now minus of 6 minus 45 will give you what? Minus of 51. So minus of 51. So far so good. Now what? Now try to see that this will be just nothing. This is what? This thing. So this is same as, so x, y, z. This is same as 1 by 2 and minus 51 by 34. Yes, minus 15 by 34. And if you try to simplify it further, what you will have, let's see, um 17, I think. So 17 times 3, you all know, is 51. Yes, 17 times 3, so it will be 3, it will be 2. Okay, so you will have these as your value. So 1 half minus 3 by 2, let me just put, so 1 half minus 3 by 2. Okay, so let me just put it, so let me just verify. So putting here, so 3 multiply half minus 5 multiply minus 3 by 2. So this will be what? 2, 3 plus 15. This means what? 5, 18 by 2 means 9. You are getting 9, correct? I'm not further verifying. I hope the value satisfies every equation. So that's it for now for this 11th problem. Let us move to the problem number 12. So problem 12, the same approach we will do. Let me just quickly go through it. So X, so A matrix will be what? 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1. Now this is your A. Okay, now B, 402. 402, this is your B. Now what? Let me just evaluate my A inverse. So A inverse will be determinant of A. Determinant of A will be, let me just quickly go through it, or I'll be using my cofactors. Okay, not cofactors, I'm direct because I will be writing adjoint, my adjoint directly. So I will be just using this as my information. So determinant, I'm writing this as determinant. So plus minus plus, so this will be plus. Okay, so this will be 1 minus of minus 3, this will become 4. Now this so 2 minus minus 3 will be plus 3, so 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, once again let me quickly evaluate it. So 2 minus of minus 3, yes indeed 5. Now what? Now this 2 minus 1 will be 1. So your determinant will be what? As you can see, 4 plus 5 plus 1 will be 10. So determinant will be 10. So determinant of A will be 10. Here you will have 10. Okay, now this will be 10. So now let me just quickly evaluate the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A will be, as you can see, let me write A here. So 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now I'll be just evaluating first of all the cofactors. Sorry, the minors. Okay, so eliminate this. So 1, it will be what? 1 minus of minus 3 will give me 1 plus 3, which is 4. Now this entry, now this thing, I have to do what? This thing, this will be what? So 2 minus minus 3. Okay, 2 minus, this going to multiply with this going to multiply with minus 3. So you will have 2 minus minus 3 means 2 plus 3 means 5. So you will have 5. Now eliminating this, you will have 2 minus 1 means 1. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so this is for the M11, M12, M13. Now for this second, okay, M21. So I have to eliminate this. So minus 1, minus 1. So this will be minus of 2. Now eliminate this. You will have what? 1 minus 1 means 0. Okay, so far so good. Now eliminate this. You will have 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 minus of 1 means 2. Okay, so far so good. This is for what? This entry. This is 3. Okay, minus 3. Now for this thing. Okay, now eliminate this or just use this. So minus 3, so this will be 3 minus 1 means 2. Okay, clear? Now eliminate this. So this will be minus 3 minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2 will give you what? Minus of 5 minus 5. Okay, now for this 1 minus minus 2 will give you 3. 3. So far so good. So this will be what your A inverse looks like. Okay, your A inverse. Now what I will be doing, so because this is my A inverse, now A inverse B, I want A inverse B, so B is 4 0 2. So I am going to just multiply what you will have. Okay, so 8 plus what? So sorry, 16. 4 times 4, 16 plus 0 plus 4 means 20. So 20. Now for this 20 plus 0 minus 10 will be 10. 10. Now 4 plus 0 plus 6 will be 10. 10. So from this what you can say is that x is 2, y is 1, z is 1. Now put here. I will be satisfying only one equation. Your task is to satisfy every other equation if you need it. So the second I am going to satisfy this second. So 2 plus y minus 3 must be 0. So 2 times x is 1. So sorry, 2 times x plus y minus z, so 3z. Okay, so this will be 4. As you can see, 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. Okay, now sorry, one thing I have what as you can see that I haven't wrote the signs yet. Okay, so start from plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, so far so good. Now okay, that was the thing I want doing. Now what? Now 4 16 plus 4 still 20. Okay, once again, so 4 multiply 4, 0 multiply this, this multiply this, you will have 20. Now 5 multiply 4, this will be minus 20, and you will have plus 10, this will be minus of 10, minus of 10. Now 4 and plus 6 will be 10. As now you are having your x value 2, y value minus 1, z value 1. Okay, so x value 2 means 4, it will be 4, y as minus 1, z as plus 1. Now this will be what? 4 minus 4, which is 0. I will be satisfying this. X is 2, y is minus 1, z is 1. This means this will get cancelled. You will be getting 2. So yes, so please do verify this also. So let me move to the next problem as quickly as possible. I will be doing this solution. So A is 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 1 and minus 2. So 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Now A inverse, let me evaluate A inverse. So A inverse is just nothing, 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A, let me quickly find it. So plus 2 minus 3 plus 3. Okay, plus 2 minus 3 plus 3. So for this you have to 4 minus of minus 1, so it will be 5. For this minus 2, this is going to multiply with this, minus 3, this means minus of 5. Now eliminate this. So minus 1 and minus of 6, so it will be plus 6. So your determinant will be, as you can see, 10 plus 15 plus, so it will be 5. Yes, it will be 5. Okay, it will be 5. 15, so 15, so it will be 40. Yes, 30 plus 10 40. Determinant is 40, so 40. Determinant is 40. Now adjoint, I'll be finding the adjoint directly. So 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 2. So 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, now what I will be doing is eliminating this, okay, to get the inverse entries. So minus 2, okay, sorry, this going to multiply with this, it will be minus of 4. Okay, it will be minus of 4. So multiply this and this, you will have what, minus 4, sorry, plus 4, it will be plus 4. So plus 4 minus minus 1. Yes, this will be 4 plus 1 means 5. 4 plus 1 means 5. Okay, now eliminate this, you will have minus 2 and minus 3. This means minus 5 minus 5. Okay, now eliminate this. Now you have minus 1 and minus of minus 6 means plus 6. So this will be plus 5. So plus 5. Okay, so far so good. Now eliminate the second row. You will have what? So eliminating the second row. Okay, eliminating second row. Eliminating this. So minus 2 with 3, you will have minus 6, and minus of minus 3, this will, so 6 minus 6 plus 3 means minus of 3, minus of 3. Okay, so far so good. Now eliminate this. Minus 4 minus 9. Okay, this will be 9. So it will be minus of 13, minus of 30. Okay, now this minus 2 minus 2 minus 9. This will be minus 11, minus of 11. Okay, so far so good. So I think this is clear to you. Okay, now what? Now evaluate for what? For M3, 1, M3, 2, M3, 3. So eliminate this. 3 minus minus 6. Yes, 3 minus minus 6. This will be 3 plus 6 means 9. Now remove this. So 2 minus 3. So this means minus 1. Okay, eliminate. Now eliminate this. Minus 4 minus 3, this is minus of 7, minus of 7. Now let me interchange these signs. Okay, the signs will be get changed in their respective position according to the cofactors. Okay, so this will be plus, this will be minus, minus minus will become plus. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So you will have this. Now multiply with b. 5 minus 4 3. You will have what? Okay, so 140, 1 by 40 is already there. So you will have 25 minus of 12 and plus of 27. So this means what? If you try to see, 12 and 25 will give you 15. Yes, as this will be 27. Yes, so this will give you 15. So plus of 15, plus of 15. So far so good. Now multiply this. What you will have? 25 plus 4 times of 13 will be what? As you can see, 13 52, I think. Yes, 12 1 52. Yes, 52. And this will be 3. So here you can see. So okay, so 25, this will be what? 5 8 9 10 0 5 6 7 8 80. Okay, this will be 80, as you can see, 80. Okay, so I think I'm doing the correct. Let me verify later. So 80, this will be 40. Now for the last thing. Okay, so 25, so 25. Okay, so 25 and minus 44 minus 21 minus 21. Now this will be what? As you can see, so 25 minus 21 will give you plus of 4. Yes, plus of 4 will give you plus of 4. Okay, plus of 4. So this means minus of 40, minus of 40 minus of 40. Now from this what you have is x will be 10, sorry 1, y will be 2, and z will be minus 1. Now let's verify that. I'm putting this. So x1 3 2, z minus 1. Okay, so this will be just 2 plus 6 minus 3. So this means what? This means 3, this means 5. Yes, you are getting 5. Okay, let me verify for this also. x1 y2 z minus 1. So this is minus 4. This means 1 get cancelled, you will have minus of 4. Yes, you are getting the minus 4. Now for this, 3 multiply 1 minus 2 minus 2 times of z. Okay, so this will be plus 2. Okay, so this and this going to cancel, you will left with just 3. So indeed you are having 3. Okay, so we will be stopping here, and the remaining problems will be we will be dealing with the remaining problems in the next session, in the upcoming session. As you can see, the main thing to solve by using the matrix method, the system of linear equations, we just have putting the things x is equals to a inverse b. You are finding this inverse by using what? 1 by determinant of a multiply with adjoint of a, this thing. Okay, so I hope that you are getting the answers correct. Please practice as much as you can, because in finding adjoint, the little sign error will make your answer wrong, will make your every bit of work wrong. Okay, because the main thing is that you are getting the correct answer or not. Okay, so as you saw that I'm also somehow getting some errors. Okay, this time I didn't get, but in the previous session, if you try to observe that I did mistakes. Okay, so but it doesn't affect anything, but you, first of all, the first thing, the foremost thing is that you must know the steps. Okay, in exams, in CBSE and in board exams, you will have what? Your steps. You will get your marks on the basis of your steps. If you are doing steps correct, you will get your full marks. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I hope that you get the explanation correct, you get your answers correct. So that's it for now. So we will be meeting soon. We will be back soon. So thank you for watching this. Again, thank you.